too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand.
So with the traffic being so loud in my new apartment, I am going to be doing a voiceover, but if you want to get 15% off Insert Name Here hair products, you can use the code MJStyles at checkout. So I've kindly been sent 2 ponies from Insert Name Here, and we're going to start off with the Lola pony in dark brown. You can check first to see if it matches your hair because there is a strand in the top section, and you can also DM them on Instagram because they have a unique colour matching service. So with this, you don't just get the hairpiece, you also get a really cute scrunchie, which is in this kind of silky rose gold colour. You get 2 hair grips, which obviously will help you stick your hair back, and then you get the actual hairpiece. This one is stunning. I love it. It's like a really sleek pony, and as you can see, there's a curl at the bottom. This is the part that you will wrap around to hide the Velcro once it is on your head. So the first step is to prep my hair ready for the ponytail. Obviously we want to go with a very slick high bun, then we can wrap the ponytail around that. I do have very, very thick hair, so this is kind of a big test to see whether the pony does cover my hair and keep it in place without me feeling like it's going to fall out, feeling like it's not covering my hair properly. So as you can see, I'm literally just slicking it down with what I call my horse brush, and then I'm using some eco gel, which I don't recommend using too often because it has kind of broken my edges a bit, but if you want that really, really slick hold, then eco gel is amazing for this in combo with using your brush. So I'm doing it quite high because I feel like it would be best placed high up on the head just because of the style of pony that I've got. And now for the fun part of trying to get all this hair into a bobble and keeping it looking so slick. My girls and guys with curly hair, thick hair, you will understand the struggle. So as you can see, I've now managed to slick my hair, and I think this will look really good with the pony. Obviously it's not perfect, but having thick hair, I can't really get it much better than this. So now I'm just adding in the provided hair grips to give that additional hold and kind of smooth down any areas where I have a lot of hair because I have quite curly texture. It does tend to stick up, especially at the back. And now onto the fun part of putting in the pony. This was quite scary, but it's quite self-explanatory. So you have this really big kind of clip that goes into your bun, and then as you can see, that will completely cover it. So this feels pretty secure once it's in, which is something I really like about these hair pieces. And then you have that extra bit of hair, which as you can see will be covering the Velcro once you've wrapped it fully round. It can be a bit fiddly. Oh, my concentration face is very attractive. But personally, because I have quite fragile hair, I don't love the idea of Velcro being directly on my hair. As you'll see when I take it out, it's not the easiest, but I think apart from that, I can't really fault the application process. I thought it was going to be a lot harder than it actually was, and as you can see, it won't need touching up very much because it already looks really good. I'm just going to get one of the other hair grips, and this is where I'm going to grab that last piece of hair and just secure it into place. I recommend using 2 hair grips because you just want to be on the safe side, as obviously that is going to be covering the Velcro, so if it comes off, it's going to look a bit strange. And this is what it looks like once it's in. Obviously it took less than like 2 minutes to actually put in the hair. It's more the prep that takes the time, but it looks so gorgeous, and even on my textured hair it still looks like it could be my hair. I was overly impressed with this, and it's really comfortable. It wasn't heavy. It looks particularly nice from the side, I feel like, and this is what it looks like at the back. Obviously it does look like fake hair, but not in a bad way. Like, I'd feel comfortable wearing this out and about. As I mentioned, getting it out is not the most pleasant, especially having quite fragile hair that breaks easily. You have to be really careful taking it out because the Velcro is directly on your hair, which is something that I would change about it. But let's move on to the next pony. So this one is called Shayla, and as you can see, it's more curly, probably more realistic for my hair because I do naturally have curly hair. And again, you have that lovely clip that will go directly into the bun. It's exactly the same process. This one kind of gives me beach vibes just from the waves, and this one is a lot longer as well. One thing I did notice between this hairpiece and the first one is that there's a lot less hair. Like, the first hairpiece was very dense and very covering, whereas this one has less hair, seems a bit thinner. I don't know if this is because it's curly or because it's longer, I'm not sure, but it definitely seemed lighter when I was holding it in my hands and when I put it in my hair. Again, just clipping that into place with the hair grips that I've provided. Unfortunately, there was a little fault with this pony. There was a weird strand that would not go down no matter what I did. I doubt this was meant to happen, and to be fair, I probably could just cut it off, but I couldn't get it down for the life of me. But again, this pony looks gorgeous, especially from the side. I think I would feel comfortable wearing it out, but I feel like it does provide less coverage than the other one does. At the front, it is absolutely fine, but I feel like at the back, you can definitely see that there is a bun there if you move the hair too much. Personally, if I was to recommend one, it would 100% be Lola. Like, I'm literally obsessed with that pony over the Shayla one. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to use my discount code. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.